Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue, and today we're making a Bacon and Elk Burger, a Belkon Burger on the Memphis wood fire grill. The first thing that we want to do is start preparing the ground elk. Elk is a very lean meat, so we want to start by adding a couple of tablespoons of beef tallow to the ground elk. Next, chop up some rosemary and thyme, about a tablespoon of each, and add to the mix. Then you want to thoroughly mix this and form some nice burger patties. And then we're going to season it with our Big Swede Barbecue Badass Texas food. And then you want to let this sit for about an hour in room temperature to allow the seasoning to set. Next, you want to prepare the rest of the ingredients for our Bacon and Elk Burger. We need a yellow onion and slice that into onion rings. And we also need to make a white garlic sauce, and here's how you make that. Start by mixing a cup of sour cream with a cup of mayo, then add about 5 tablespoons of mashed garlic. Then you want to add a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 tablespoon of our Big Swede Barbecue Badass Beef Boost, and then about a 1/4 cup of orange Fanta soda. Then you want to stir this thoroughly and place in a squeeze bottle. Now we have the garlic sauce and the onion prep, so next, start to prepare the bacon. You want to take a package of bacon and cut the bacons in half, and then you want to individually, very lightly season with our Big Swede Barbecue Badass Pork Boost on both sides. Now when we have all the ingredients ready, it's time to fire up the Memphis wood fire grill. And we're going to set it at 350 degrees first, and we're going to use one of these cast iron griddles because I think they make the burgers just taste phenomenal. Start by placing the burgers on the upper rack. We want to give them a little bit of smoke while we're waiting for the bacon and the onions to get ready. So when the griddle is hot, it's time to start sauteing the bacon. And I like to flip my bacon slices a couple of times during the cook until they reach that perfect doneness. Next, we're going to saute the onion in the bacon fat, and that's going to give it great flavor. When the elk burgers reach an inner temperature of 115 degrees, it's time to remove them from the grill. Place them in an aluminum pan with some foil on top to keep them warm. The bacon is ready, the onions are ready, so it's now time to sear the burgers and grill the bread. We want to crank up the temperature on the grill to 550 degrees, and when you reach that temperature, you want to add a little bit of butter, some sprigs of thyme, and a sprig of rosemary. Then we're going to sear the burgers for a couple of minutes until we get a good caramelization. While we're searing the burger, we will also spray the buns on the inside with a little bit of duck fat and then grill these until we get great grill bump. The burgers have now reached an inner temperature of 135 degrees, and it's time to remove them from the grill. The final step before devouring the Bacon and Elk Burger is that we have to build them. So this is how you do it. You want to start by placing a couple of leaves of baby spinach on the bottom bun, and then place the elk burger on top of that. Then you want to add the onions, the bacon, and then finally dose this with a white garlic sauce. And that is how you make a Bacon and Elk Burger, a Belkon Burger on the Memphis wood fire grill. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel or check out our website for more recipes like this. And I think the only thing left for me to do is to try this and see what it tastes like. So here we go. Come on. That is really good. I hope you try this at home. Happy grilling.